Can our birds get infected with COVID-19? That's what we're going to find out after the intro. Hello, the birdcats! Welcome back for another video. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome and consider subscribing because we are uploading videos that can help you with your birding journey. Okay, today we are going to talk about the reason why we are all in quarantine. So this is very important topic. We are going to talk about the new coronavirus or COVID-19 and if it will affect our pet birds. So, make sure to watch and hang on there until the end of this video. The COVID-19 pandemic is spreading and affecting lives everywhere. However, it's not only causing illness, it's causing confusion and fear. So let's get informed right now. The topics that we are going to cover is what is COVID-19? How did it develop? Can our birds get COVID-19? And what do we do to protect our pet birds? So number one question, what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is caused by coronavirus. These viruses are microscopic agents that contain genetic material. They get inside the cells of other organisms and essentially hijack the cell's operating system in order to replicate more of themselves. They consist of many different types and have been identified in humans, cats, dogs, pigs, and birds. Bird species found to have coronavirus include pigeons, pheasants, chickens, and turkeys. The virus mostly is found in respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts, causing problems in these organ systems. Coronaviruses are generally species-specific and infect only one group of animals. For example, coronavirus that infects chickens usually won't cause problems for humans. Next question, how did it develop? COVID-19 is new tough, so how did it develop? One of the interesting things about viruses is that they mutate. This means that their genetic material can change accidentally as the virus replicates in a host cell. These changes can make it so the virus can now infect a new host. Or it can make it so that the virus is now more virulent, stronger, and able to cause more damage. Research is showing that COVID-19 is likely to have jumped from bats to humans in a live animal and seafood market in China. It then spread from human to human, likely through respiratory secretions like saliva and mucus when people cough and sneeze. Now the third question is, can our birds get COVID-19? Here's the good news. The risk of this occurring seems to be low. When it comes to pet birds at this time, there is no evidence to support that it could transfer to them. Given that birds and mammals are two largely different groups and the virus is not even transferring well between mammal species at this time, it is unlikely to be a problem for birds. As previously mentioned, coronaviruses are usually species-specific. This makes it more likely that the virus cannot spread from humans to pet birds. Now lastly, what can we do to protect our pet birds? First is quarantine. Any sick humans in the home should have limited contact with their pet birds until they are healthy again. Likewise, any sick birds should be isolated from healthy individuals. Any new birds coming into a home should have a 30-day minimum period where they are not around other birds in the house. This recommendation is not specific to COVID-19 and is a good rule to live by to minimize the risk of all infectious diseases. Second is hand washing. Make sure to wash your hands before and after handling and interacting with your bird and their accessories, such as cage items or food. We can easily spread bacteria, viruses, and other infectious agents on our hands without knowing it. Simply washing your hands with soap and water for a minimum of 20 seconds can go a long way to preventing problem. Third is cleaning and disinfecting. Make sure to clean surfaces, cages, and items that have been soiled or have in contact with poop and other body secretion. Many common disinfectants like bleach and hydrogen peroxide have been shown to be effective against coronaviruses. So here's the conclusion, Lovebird Cats. COVID-19 may be a pandemic, but that doesn't mean pet owners should panic. You have to take more control of the situation by understanding how the virus is likely to behave and taking the appropriate measures to be prepared. Also, an important thing is to learn how infected people should interact with their pets. And implementing appropriate measures can help to reduce the chances of serious illness to our pet birds. And there you go, Lovebird Cats. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And for those of you who have other video suggestions or any questions, all you got to do is to put them in the comment section. Maybe we can feature them on our next video. And again, if you like this video, don't forget to click and smash that like button. And for those of you who hasn't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now to be part of our Lovebird Cat family. Alright guys, keep safe, stay home, and God bless you all. See you on the next video.